Ready? Start. There is no mechanism in the world which can say that you give subsidies to 70% of the population. The country will go bankrupt, and I think all the talk of social justice and removing disparity will come to end. The only way to lead with urban and rural disparities into strike at the root of the problem, and the root of the problem is that we have an excessively protected industry. You have been talking of inefficient fertilizer industry. That is true of most branches of Indian industry. But we have to live with it. We cannot overnight get away from a highly protected from the inefficient industrial structure. We have to gradually subject this industry to greater competition, both domestic competition and foreign competition. We cannot afford to kill our industry, because if you kill that industry, the farmers would be the sufferers. And that is why we have this new strategy which seeks to reduce the level of protection given to industry. If that strategy works out, you might see in this country for the first time a most empathetic program seeking to bridge the gap between the rural and urban divide. This rural and urban divide cannot be bridged by giving handouts to agriculture or the farmers in our country. Now, another question was raised, whether this will lead to a decline in production. My answer is that under normal condition, this is not likely to happen. Several questions were asked. I think Honorable Member asked about the fraud of rupees 100 crores. I do not know anything about it. If my honorable colleague, the Minister of Agriculture, knows something about it, I would request him to supplement. He also referred to the lacuna in the fixation of retention prices. I take note of his concern. I will have it conveyed to the Honorable Minister.